So here's the arm, cleaned up, painted. Something pretty cool is when you polish up these little copper connectors, they look pretty neat, nice and clean. So I masked them out before I painted it because they're riveted on. You're not taking those off. And then I hit it with some clear coat to keep it that way. Thought it would look nice. I'm probably the only weirdo that really would do something like that, but there are people out there that are as screwy as me. We'll see. So we'll put this guy back in the way it came. I went ahead and mounted the rebuilt or restored and cleaned up motor. I'm going to clean all this wire up, make it look a little bit better if I can. But tested it, runs good. So I'll get off of there. One-handed again. I guess I'll have to pull it off later. So anyway, it looks a lot better, I think. It's cleaned up, painted. It's got new pump grommets and a new pump cap. That's really what the problem was. And there it is.